I'm taking you to the snow and learning some Cantonese together. Hi, welcome to Weekend Canton. 越廣越講 It's Tracy here. Before we go to the snow, we need to dress up first. Something to keep us warm. 冷帽 First, we'll need a beanie. 滑雪外套 Then we'll need a snow jacket. 滑雪褲 Followed by snow pants. 手套 Don't forget a pair of gloves. 係時候出發啦！係時候出發啦！出發 means head off. 我哋終於見到雪啦！我哋終於見到雪啦！終於 means finally. 澳洲啲雪可以好硬。澳洲啲雪可以好硬。硬 means hard. 我哋帶埋一個錘仔去鑿啲雪。我哋帶埋一個錘仔去鑿啲雪。鑿 means dig. 我哋都覺得好搞笑。我哋都覺得好搞笑。搞笑 means hilarious. 不過就玩得好開心。不過 means but. 我覺得最好玩嘅係坐平底雪橇同埋砌雪人。我覺得最好玩嘅係坐平底雪橇同埋砌雪人。我哋都鍾意玩雪。我哋都鍾意玩雪。妹妹啊，今次去旅行你最鍾意係乜嘢啊？
我唔知呀。
哥哥啊，你今次旅行最開心係乜嘢啊？
我最開心可以玩雪。
耶！妹妹啊，你今次去旅行最開心係乜嘢啊？
我次次去 holiday house。
Do you like playing in the snow? 你鍾唔鍾意玩雪？你鍾唔鍾意玩雪？ If yes, you can say 鍾意。If no, you can say 唔鍾意。That's all for now. If you'd like to learn more about Cantonese, please check out my other videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.